Hello. In this video, I'll show you how to watch SEC Plus on YouTube TV. Now, it's a very easy process. So what you have to do is, firstly, access the ESPN application. So over there, you will find SEC Network Plus content is available through the ESPN application. So you will need to download and install the ESPN app on your preferred streaming device such as your smartphone, tablet or smart TV. After that, simply launch the ESPN application by opening the ESPN application on your streaming device. Once you will do that, simply log in, and you will need to log in to the ESPN application using your YouTube TV credentials. This login information should be the same as your YouTube TV account as well. So just keep that in mind. After that, navigate to the SEC network. So once logged in, navigate to the SEC Network Plus section within the ESPN app. This selection may be labeled different, but it typically features additional content and live streamings beyond what's available on the regular SEC network. Once you've done that, you have accessed the SEC Network Plus section. You should be able to watch the game and content that are available on the platform. So there are some important notes that you should keep in mind. First, SEC Network Plus is typically included with your SEC Network TV subscription, which is a part of YouTube TV. Second, you do not need to separately subscribe to ESPN Plus to access SEC Network Plus. Third, ensure that you have a stable internet connection for uninterrupted streaming. Fourth, keep in mind that specific game or content may have blackout restriction based on your location. So, check for any regional restrictions if necessary. So, that's it, and if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.